West Mountain Radio sells a variety of computerized battery analyzers, including one specifically designed for testing small cells and batteries called the CBA HR. Small cells and batteries are capable of supplying very low discharge currents and therefore require even greater measurement precision. The CBA HR is designed to precisely test virtually any small-size battery, any chemistry or number of cells, from 0.7 volts to 10 volts. The CBA HR is capable of testing batteries at load currents from 1 mA to 1000 mA, at a maximum of 10 watts, in increments of 1 mA. The discharge current accuracy is typically better than plus or minus 0.02 mA for a CBA HR. The CBA5 cannot test as low or as accurately as the CBA HR. Let's take a look at what comes with the CBA HR. Included is a 6-foot USB cable for connecting the CBA HR to a computer. The 12-inch pigtail adapter is for connecting the CBA HR to your battery. One end is stripped, allowing you to attach connectors that match your battery's leads. There is a printed manual, and a USB flash drive containing the standard version of the CBA software. The CBA HR has a USB connector and fan on one side. The other side has a power pole connector, red LED, green LED, and 3.5 mm auxiliary connector jack. This jack is for the remote sensing cable, which connects the CBA HR to a temperature probe and mini alligator clips. The alligator clips improve voltage measurement accuracy by eliminating the impact of lead wire resistance on the sensing process. When the external magnetic temperature probe is used with the extended software, it allows automatic overtemperature test cutoff and logging of battery or ambient temperature. This example shows a power pole to blade gel cell connectors cable, which is a pre-made cable that we sell. We also sell a variety of other off-the-shelf cables for battery testing, including a battery test clamp and a universal battery holder. The CBA HR has an internal 2-amp fuse. To replace the fuse, unscrew the 4 screws on the bottom of the unit, remove the cover, and locate the fuse above the power pole connector. The fuse is a standard ATC or ATO automotive blade fuse. If the fuse is blown, pull it out and replace it with a new 2-amp fuse. The serial number can be found on the bottom of the CBA HR. This serial number will be needed when adding the extended software license to a CBA HR unit. Watch our other videos about the CBA software for more details about the standard software and extended software features. The CBA HR is unique in that it adds 2 additional test modes to the standard CBA software. These are duty cycle and multiple discharge. They allow user simulation of real-world battery load variations found in typical remote sensor sleep and transmit applications. For example, a multiple discharge test could be used on a coin cell battery to simulate pressing a garage door remote for 1 second every 30 seconds. The results of this test would tell you how many 1-second presses a garage door remote would be capable of over the battery's lifetime. Let's test a coin cell battery using the CBA HR and a universal battery holder. This will be a standard discharge test at 5 mA. The coin cell is a 3-volt lithium manganese dioxide cell. The capacity is 0.225 amp-hours. Clicking on the Detect button will detect the actual voltage, which in this case is slightly below 3 volts. We'll use 2 volts as the cutoff voltage. Clicking on the Suggest button will suggest the test amps. For this test, we will change the value to 5 milliamps. Double-check the values and click the Start button to begin the test. Since this test will take a while, let's jump ahead to the test results. The test time was approximately 1,039 minutes, equating to about 17.5 hours. The measured capacity was 0.087 amp-hours, which is 38.5% of the value specified in the datasheet. One reason for this lower capacity is that the coin cell used in the test was an older battery. This test demonstrates the usefulness of measuring the capacity of a coin cell battery using a small discharge current. The CBA HR is ideal for testing and analyzing a wide range of small batteries. To see all of the computerized battery analyzer models that we offer, visit westmountainradio.com and click on the Battery Analyzers button.